we need to get some dirt sifted so we can start building the shop.
And big pile it over there so we can do it easily.
Yeah, definitely.
Dude, that's a lot of dirt. Filtered poop.
Can I take your order, please?
In building with Earthbags, we discovered our family thrived creatively and grew stronger by working side by side. We welcome you to be part of our family for this week's adventure.
Are we ready to bag?
Oh yeah. We had a nice, well-deserved break, I'd say, but it's nice to get back to bagging.
Yeah, and start that, get our muscles working again. It's nice.
We're experimenting with where to put the water. Our most recent one turned everything to mud, which is not what you want to see. Just so that you can see what happens to our dirt when it gets muddy, that you can do a piece of pottery out of that. I know you hear us say that all the time, but
It's very pottery-like.
it's like a piece of clay.
We should make pottery out of it.
Should. It'd probably make pretty cool with more.
You know, if we
even.
got everything that wet, it would probably go through this thing without a problem.
I don't
think
know.
so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so at all.
We have a bagging issue. As you can see, our chute is as large as this bag.
Yep.
Thinking is, we're gonna put a really long bag on there, and then we're just gonna fill them, cut it off, tie it, set it in the hole. Not too bad.
Good estimation.
It's not bad at all, you guys. Good job.
It's a very heavy baby.
Dad's over here stringing electrical stuff. Got all kinds of electrical lines going. Various plugs.
With the electric, we've always tried to move forward with different ideas as we do each one of the buildings. And I think the best way we found is that we can lay the wire inside the walls. So that works well, it protects it. This time around though, I found some gray underground wire that'll work really well on the walls. Cleats, and these are things that are designed to put wood in the wall so we have something we can attach to, or we can attach things to it, such as a box for the electrical box, or we can use kind of a side version where it flips up and attaches to a door frame or a window frame.
This is the stuff that fell out of the bag, so it's like really sifted. Look how like smooth in comparison that is.
Whoa, so cool, dude.
Not fun. They're like snowballs. Yeah, see, I don't know if you can see that. If you look in here, another example of the packing. This is not the metal wall. Smooth is like cut granite, and I mean like it is tough. You can see. It's actually what's been breaking our machine, I think.
Yeah.
But the sifted seems to do a lot better. It's just that with combination of rocks, it doesn't do too well with this machine.
Yeah.
A feature that we need to have for windows to set in is a wooden structure of some sort. So I build a simple frame. Now that I have the box built, it's time to brace off the box so that it's completely square. And then we put a header above that, sitting on top of the walls. So these headers are a little unique. This one here needed a 4x header, but I need to extend it out so this kind of a 16-inch width because we have 16, 18-inch walls. That's an exciting feature over the windows and the headers. Ready to go. All we need now are the walls to set them on.
Yeah.
They'll go up about 40 inches, 44, somewhere in there. It's gonna be great.
Well, the skid steer may or may not have took a turn for the worst. Yeah, it broke. Again. Yeah, again. It's broken. Broken here this time. Again at my weld. Like I said, very purposeful. We got a lot of comments on what we should do with the skid steer and how to fix it and stuff. And we're definitely probably gonna put a vibrator on it. But we just had this thought. And you know us, we like to do things very unique, sometimes the hard way, but we like to enjoy it anyway. Yeah, that's true. If you ever saw Mark Rober's video of the sand pit that he did, he was swimming in it.
Sand bathtub.
Yeah, sand bathtub, and all the sand was just hovering. Well, that would be great if it worked here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try it. Now this isn't sand, this is dirt, so it's way more dense than sand, but we're thinking it might still kind of work.
Yeah.
We tried the bucket and it seemed to work actually kind of decently. We'll try it. So we have a PVC pipe, and this is gonna go in here. It's gonna have holes along it, and we're gonna stagger them like this.
Yeah.
And aim them towards parts that we know are gonna jam. We know this area likes to jam, and we know this area likes to jam. It probably won't jam.
That's the idea.
Yeah, that is the idea. We decided that we're gonna use our own lungs to power this thing. So intense over here. As you see, we're totally using regular PVC with regular PVC. Clearly. Yeah, this isn't totally gray conduit, which is probably a totally different kind of PVC pipe. Hey, I'm gonna do it right there. It's much more stable. Why does this stuff always grip? Normally you twist it. I don't really have a way of twisting it though.
Yeah, it should be okay.
Cool. Like, come on, look at this thing. Like, so we got little holes in here. That's gonna release air in here across the whole bottom of here, because that's where it was jamming. This is such a simple thing. I really hope it works.
Yeah.
Think we're crazy?
Nah. Let's go get a load of dirt and see if it works.
This is crazy. If this works, should we put air in it? And,
Make sure there's no leaks.
yeah. Okay, that's the thing here, not us.
Wow.
Yeah.
Going there. Put up here. Oh my gosh.
That's perfect.
That's awesome.
Proof of concept. That's exactly what we wanted it to do.
Exactly what we wanted it to do. If this works, this would be so fun.
Right, look. It's not building up over here.
You're right, it's not. That's new. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I think that worked, right?
That seemed to work. As crazy as that sounds.
Did you see how quickly we moved through that whole pile of dirt too?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. We did move through it fast. Is it time to start using it?
I think so.
I'm kind of scared to use it because I don't want it to break again. Do you think we could say that that was successful?
I think it was.
I think we could call this a success.
I think so.
It seems to work.
Yeah.
Pretty decently, I think.
Yeah.
That's gonna wrap up this week. Hopefully it will work the rest of the building, fingers crossed. Maybe. And of course we always have merch in the shop, lots of merch. I recently found this shirt that's extra long. I don't know what they call it, it's like an extra long shirt. But anyway, it's kind of nice. I like the longer ones. Kind of covers my pockets and keeps dirt out of them. That's one benefit, among others. Shop, link in description. Yeah, along as other merch too, lots of other merch. But these are really cool. We'll see you next week for another weekly peek. As always, thank you for being part of our family, and we'll see you next week. Bye! Thank you! That's why I wear hats.
What? You don't like your Tarzan hair going on?
It fluffs out like this sometimes though, and it's like, I look like a peacock. What's good is, it was breaking over here, and it broke there a couple times, and it's not breaking there anymore. So, you know, now it's breaking here, so that's like better, right?
Yeah. No, I'll probably crack it.
Ah! We put the cap at the wrong angle. As you see, the caps have angles. This is the barcode side. This is the not barcode side. Whoa. It's so much easier. This is called the chin drill.
The chin drill?
You drill with your chin. So damn slow. Hey, I could commentary. So today's weather is very windy. I realize it's drilling right now, but ignore the drilling. You think we need some oil? How's the hole doing? I can't really see it.
It's not doing anything. You just went through the paint.
Humbug.
Our family moved from the city to the country. Thanks for taking part in our adventure. We have new videos every Friday evening. If you would like to help us out, you can like this video, share it, subscribe, or support us on Patreon. See the links in the description.
That's a big old bumblebee. It's that little black one.
Those things sting too.
Go away, there's no flowers over here.
Oh, they're scary. Look at that. Look at him. Just look at him. You know what I did?
What?
Do you see?
Welded it in the wrong position?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I don't think I can break that loose.
Put dirt in it and compact it and break it.
Dang it. Yeah, the desert doesn't have snow.
Hi.
It has dirt snowballs.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.